Hi and welcome to Tableau 101. Today I want to show you how you can create a date out of the date numbers. So for example, we have day, month, year, but they're all numbers. So when we drag them into the sheet, they're just summing themselves up. But we want to create an actual date out of it. So what we can do is we just create a calculation, and many people won't know, but there's a Makedate function that you can use. And all we do is enter our year into year, our month into month, and our day into day. And we call this the make date. And hang on, guys, you probably didn't see this here. Sorry. There you go. So make date. So year, month, day, and you just plug it in, make date. And then we can go to another sheet just to show you make date, and off we go, and we have our perfect date. I hope this helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.